We usually run life tests until failure. This one just keeps running out the clock. In the reliability lab, we put these machines under extreme loads and cycle them constantly for months. We identify and resolve issues before it gets in the hands of a customer. Basically, my job is to try to get newly designed machines to fail. Problem is, it just won't.
We've come all this way, and now they just want to quit? It's just getting warmed up. Letting it get to 65,000 hours. Is that too much to ask?
He calls it a little overachiever. I call it the reason I'm behind on everything else. It's proved its point. I need it out of the lab so I can test other products.
Jason just wants to see it reach that 65,000 hour mark. It's like when your odometer is about to roll over, but you just got home, disappointing.
We set out to simulate harsh conditions. I guess they just built a power source that likes it.
Are you ready for this?
Let's do it.
All right, let's go. This machine deserves the honor of a 65,000 hour life test, and we're gonna get there together.